Hello, everyone. We're hiring for a new management accounting position in a BPO distributed shared services environment. This role is open for professionals with 3 to 4 years of experience in management accounting. The position is based in Mumbai or Pune and follows a UK shift involving regular interaction with UK stakeholders. Strong communication and coordination skills are essential. We're looking for candidates with qualifications such as BCom, MCom, MBA Finance, CMA, or semi-qualified professionals. Candidates must have experience working in a BPO or shared services setup. Your responsibilities will include posting period end and manual journal entries, supporting billing and customer invoicing, working on SAP modules like PO, GR, IR, and WBS, vendor invoice review and approvals, balance sheet and payroll reconciliations, general ledger analysis, handling accounts payable and accounts receivable activities. If this role matches your experience and you're interested in working in a UK shift finance role, please share your updated CV to vikrant.iglobal.com. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more job updates. Thank you and all the best.